In this video, I'm going to talk about surds. So surds essentially refers to when we have a root like this in an equation. So the way we deal it is we have to square both sides. Square both sides. Okay, so if we square both sides on the left, the root disappears, but on the right, we now have a square. Okay, so we have to be careful that we square the whole thing, the whole right side all together. Okay, and then I open this bracket, so it's a perfect square. So I just go x squared. 3 times x times 2 is 6x, 3 squared plus 9. So this is how I open this perfect square bracket. And now I need to rearrange so here multiply out bracket, multiply bracket, and now rearrange so that one side equals 0. So I think I'm gonna bring everything on the right over to the left. So that leaves me with 2x squared minus 7. This is already here. And then I bring over the x squared, which gives me minus x squared. I bring over the 6x, which gives me a minus 6x. I bring over the 9, which brings me a minus 9. And what I've left on the right is just 0. Okay, I simplify it. 2x squared minus x squared is just x squared. Then I have the minus 6x. And then I have minus 7 minus 9 gives me minus 16 equals to 0. Okay, I can use the minus b formula, but I think I'm just going to factorize it, and I can factorize it. So we have a minus 16 and I think minus 8 and 2. So minus 8 times 2 is minus 16, but minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. So I think these are the two numbers I'm looking for. So I factorize x minus 8 times x plus 2, and that equals 0. So each one now we can set equal to 0. X minus 8 equals 0, which gives me x equals 8. And x plus 2 equals 0, which gives me x equals minus 2. Okay, and now I need to check these solutions. I need to put them in. So let me write the original equation again. 2x squared minus 7 equals x plus 3. X plus 3. So I need to check both solutions. So let's try 8 first. So 2 times 8 squared minus 7, and the root of that has to equal 8 plus 3. Okay, so the left would be the root 121, and the right is 11. So here we have 11 equals 11. So 8 would be a solution. Let's try the same thing with minus 2. So we have the root 2 times minus 2 squared minus 7 equals minus 2 plus 3. Okay, so we would have 2 times 4, 2 times 4 is 8 minus 8 minus 7 is 1, so the root of 1 equals 1. So that would be, so 1 equals 1, but that would be correct as well. So you have to check both solutions, because sometimes you might get a solution, but when you put it in, it doesn't actually work. So you have to check your solutions.